Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create your Google Ads account from scratch and set up your very first campaign, even if you've never used Google Ads before. By the end of this guide, you'll have everything up and running and ready for approval. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to ads.google.com. Once you're there, click on one of the blue Start Now buttons. Google will take you straight into the setup screen and ask you to create a new campaign. Just continue, even if you don't have anything prepared yet, you can edit everything later. Google will ask for your business name, and then it wants to know what action you want people to take when they click on your ad. It might be visiting your website, calling your business, or downloading an app. Depending on what you choose, Google will ask for a link, a phone number, or your app page. And here's a big tip. Don't send people to your homepage. Always direct them to a landing page designed for conversions. It will make your ads perform way better. Next, Google gives you the option to link your existing accounts, like your YouTube channel or your Google business profile. This part is optional, but linking them can help Google generate better keyword suggestions and headlines for your ads. If you want the simplest setup, you can skip it for now. At this point, Google will ask you to choose your main advertising goal. More sales, more leads, more calls, more visits to your physical store, or even traffic to your YouTube channel. Pick the one that aligns with what you're trying to achieve. If you don't have Google Analytics connected to your website yet, Google will offer to help you set it up. If you're not ready for that, just skip and continue. Now, Google will ask you what you want your campaign to actually deliver. You'll see options focused on capturing leads or generating sales. Choose the one that makes the most sense for your business. Google will often steer beginners towards smart campaigns, which use AI to handle bidding, targeting, and ad placements for you. It's the easiest option, and honestly, it works pretty well for beginners. Google will track how often customers take the option you selected, and it will keep optimizing the campaign automatically. Now comes the creative part. Writing your ad. You'll need to add headlines, descriptions, and your call to action. If you added your website earlier, Google will suggest some keywords and headline ideas to help you get started. Just remember that the third headline doesn't always appear, so make your first two as strong as possible. Google will also ask you to add visuals, like images or logos. If you already have these on your website, Google might pull them for you. You can accept those or upload your own. After that, you'll need to choose your keywords. Google recommends several options, but don't feel pressured to select everything. Start with 5 to 10 keywords that truly match what people would search for when looking for your product or service. You can always expand your keyword list later once your campaign starts gathering data. Next, select where you want your ads to show. You can target specific cities, zip codes, regions, or a radius around your business. Be intentional here. If you're a local business, focus on areas close to you. If your business is online, think about where your ideal customers are located. Now it's time to choose your daily budget. You can start with something small, like $10 to $20 per day. Don't worry, you can change your budget anytime. Google will also ask for your maximum cost per click, but again, you're not locked in. Everything can be adjusted later. Once that's done, Google will show you a forward view of your campaign. This is your chance to fix anything you want before launching. And right after that, you'll be asked to enter your billing information. When you're filling this out, choose individual if you're paying for your own business or handling the billing yourself. Choose organization if you're paying on behalf of a company. Google will automatically create a payment profile to store your billing details for future use. When everything looks good, click Submit. That's it. Your Google Ads account is created. Your first campaign is ready, and now you just have to wait for Google to review it. Usually that takes around 24 hours, but sometimes it can take a little longer. Your ad won't go live until it's approved. And remember, you won't be charged unless someone actually clicks on your ad, and Google will never spend more than the budget you set. All right, that's the full walkthrough. If this helped you out, make sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out the other tutorials if you want to keep improving your online marketing skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.